Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope that you are all fine and safe at your home. And children, today we are going to learn a short story. The name of our story is God Tests You. What is the name of our story, children? Yes, God Tests You. Come, children, let's begin to learn our story. Sonu was a poor farmer. He lived with his wife in a small hut. Although Sonu was very poor, he was generous and kind-hearted. Who was the poor farmer, children? Yes, the Sonu was the poor farmer and he lived with his wife in a small hut. So, though he was very poor, he was very rich in generous and kind-hearted. Okay? Yes. He loved God. Who loved God? Yes, the Sonu loved God. One night, when Sonu was in deep slumber, the God of mercy appeared in his dream and said, Sonu, I am pleased with your great generosity and kindness. I will visit you tomorrow. Make something delicious for me to eat. See, children, when Sonu was in a deep sleep, the God of mercy appeared to him and said in his dream that, Sonu, I am happy that you are so generous and kind-hearted. Tomorrow I will come to visit you. You prepare something for me to eat. Now what happened? Next morning when Sonu woke up, he was very excited. He told his wife about his dream. After this, he went to the market and used all his money to buy fruits and vegetables. So children, when he got up, when he woke up from the sleep, he was so excited that God will come to visit him. The God of mercy will come to visit him. So he went and told his wife about his dream. Then later he went to the market and used all his money to buy fruits and vegetables. Next what happened? He asked his wife to make something delicious with the vegetables. His wife prepared a tasty vegetable soup. Now, the Sonu's wife prepared soup for the God of mercy. After this, they patiently waited for their special guest. Suddenly, Sonu heard a sound outside his hut. He looked out of his window. He saw an old man shivering in the cold. See, children, when everything finished, they were waiting for their special guest, that God of mercy will come and eat their food. But what happened? When they were patiently waiting, now Sonu heard a sound from the window, outside of the window. Now he saw that old man is shivering in the cold. He took pity on the old man and gave him his blanket and a hot cup of tea which he had made for himself. See, children, when he saw that old man is shivering in the cold, he gave him a blanket to cover himself. Not only blanket, he gave him a hot cup of tea that he has prepared for himself to drink. Now what happened? The old man thanked Sonu for the help and went away. After drinking, old man thanked Sonu for giving him blanket and hot cup of tea. Later, a hungry old woman knocked at his door. Sonu gave her some hot soup and fruit which he had bought for his special guest. So we know that Sonu went to market and bought vegetables and fruit for the God of mercy and their special guest. Now, when he heard the sound of old woman, the hungry woman, he gave her that fruits and soup, that whatever he had for the guest. Now the old hungry woman blessed him and went away. Then Sonu heard the cry of baby. He looked out his window. He saw a woman weeping because she could not feed her hungry baby with milk. Sonu took pity on both the mother and the child. He gave them all the milk he had at home. After drinking the milk, the baby smiled at Sonu and they both left the place. See this picture, children. When Sonu saw the mother and the child is crying without milk. So what happened? Sonu gave the milk that whatever he had in the house. He gave the milk to the baby. After drinking the milk, the baby smiled at Sonu. Later, mother and baby left the place. Now Sonu was very sad. Why? Because he had very little food left to feed the god. There were no fruits. He became very upset. He began to pray to God to forgive him. Suddenly, there was a sound, and a strange light came in his room. In this light, he saw the shivering old man, the hungry old woman, and the poor woman with her hungry baby. Each one of them were saying, "It was me, it was me, it was me." Now Sonu understood that it was God who came to him from time to time in different forms. At last, he was blessed by God for being so kind to the poor people. Yes, dear children, we also should be very kind and generous to the poor people. So children, what is the moral of our story? Yes, the moral of the story is service to mankind is service to God. So children, always think that poor people need help. So you should always help the poor people. When you help the poor people, you get their blessing. When you help the poor people, you get happiness and satisfaction. And when you serve the poor, you serve God. So with this, we have completed our chapter number 5, Serve the Poor. Thank you, children.